Guys, you have to try these carnivore dumplings. They are absolutely amazing. So I headed down to my local butcher and asked for chicken skins. They were very happy to sell them to me and for under $10 a kilo, which was great. So for my filling, I use beef mince, but you can use any type of filling that you like. You can use shrimp, pork or chicken. And here I've just used a little bit of salt and some seasoning. The Pluck seasoning I find is really good. And then mix it all together. So open up your chicken skin and place a little bit of filling in there. And then you're going to wrap your twine around the chicken as tight as you can, just so that none of the filling comes out, and then cut the tops off. So here is the process again at a different angle, and cutting the tops off. And then once you have your nice little collection of raw dumplings, you will need to put them in boiling water and blanch them for 30 seconds. And then after that, you dust them with baking powder and salt, which helps dry out the skin. And then I use this brand of animal fat to deep fry them in. And then keep them in the oil until they're nice and golden brown and crispy. And then serve them up to your loved ones for a taste test. My kids absolutely love this. They asked me to put them in their lunch boxes for school, which was really cool. So here is a close-up of what they look like on the inside. Absolutely delicious. And then what I did with the leftover chicken skins was put them into the air dryer to make crispy snacks for later. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked it.